Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Anycubic Photon S 3D Printer. If you are someone who is looking for the best resin 3D printer under $500, then look no more. The Anycubic Photon is among the first SLA/DLP printers available under $500. This 3D printer shines UV light into a vat full of photoreactive resin to cure each layer, unlike the others that squirt plastic filament through a hot nozzle. As a result, you create smaller high-detail prints due to the ability to print layers thinner than 10 microns. Setup is quick, smooth, and done in just 3 steps, as it comes with all the tools to start printing as soon as you receive your product. First, set up the build platform. It comes mostly built already. Second, you need to manually level the plate, place a piece of paper on the LCD screen, lower the platform. When you feel the resistance tightening, a single grub screw levels all 4 sides at once. Third, attach the resin vat, fill it up, and that's it. You are ready to create your custom design. Initiate and control prints through the user-friendly touchscreen interface. Printing is fully offline. In other words, it can only be done using a USB flash drive. They threw in a free 8 GB USB stick in the package with a sample model to test out if you wish. Number 2. Jgaurora new A5S faster processing times. Jgaurora saw the need to add a few more handy components and features to the Jgaurora A5 and bring to you the Jgaurora upgraded A5S. That being said, is it worth buying this newer version? Let's find out. In like manner, they both allow a 305 by 305 by 320 mm build volume, which is quite large. They both have a filament runout detection feature and the ability to resume print in the event of power loss to the printer. Each print from an SD card, though now the slot is on the front next to the touchscreen for convenience. So wherein do the big differences lie? Well, mostly in the design that enables better stability, durability, and processing times. The frame is sturdier and more durable due to the use of additional screws and better made parts. The most significant improvement is faster processing times with the new 32-bit motherboard with a 5984 stepper drivers. Additionally, the extruder stops heating if no new filament is fed after 1 hour, thus saving power. Number 3. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. Another printer for the beginner at a reasonable price and perfect for home or educational use. The build volume of this model is 150 by 150 by 150 mm, which surprisingly is suitable enough for handling most objects. Setup is quick and easy. Leveling the print bed and setting the calibration is all possible from just a single tap on the 2.8 full-color touchscreen. In the same fashion, you will even be able to load the filament automatically from the touchscreen. Switching print heads has never been easier and can be done in seconds. Reaching maximum speeds of 60 mm per second and a minimum layer height of 50 microns, you will be creating excellent quality prints in a decent time frame. Another key point to note is that you are able to view prints from the internal webcam from any device using a Wi-Fi connection. Number 4. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer. Don't underestimate this small 3D printer. Although small, it has a lot to offer for the price. This small printer comes with a complete kit including a sample PLA filament, filament rack, power adapter, power cord, USB cable, micro SD card with sample models, plastic bed scraper along with bed leveling hex wrench. For this reason, you have fast out-of-the-box printing and guarantees that it is indeed the best 3D printer kit under $500. This particular 3D printer supports a wide range of filament types since the extruder allows for a wide range of temperatures. With a small footprint and small size, it will fit on any desk comfortably. Wi-Fi connectivity was a big surprise. After all, it is not something you find in a printer of this price. There is a standard USB, SD card port, and a 3.7 IPS color screen and button dial for sending, viewing, or controlling print jobs. Number 5. Jgaurora Magic High Precision DIY 3D Printer. Are you good with your hands and love piecing things together? The best DIY 3D printer under $500 gives you a chance to put those skills to work. You will have fun building this 3D printer while gaining wonderful insights into the way a 3D printer works. The main thing that stands out is that the metal base and built-in power supply is much safer and sturdier than other models. After assembling, you will be able to produce 220 by 220 by 250 mm objects with the 0.4 mm nozzle. Meanwhile, nozzle temperature ranges from 180 to 45 degrees Celsius and spews out layer thickness of 0.05 to 0.3 mm at speeds of 10-150 mm/s. Keep printing and never worry if you lose power to the machine or run out of filament. A sensor detects when the filament has run out and beeps to remind you to feed more, while the power outage recovery continues the same print once power is restored. Offline printing from the SD card can be done together with an LCD screen and a dial button for controlling prints.